It is a therapy. Music heals, they say. इसलिए आप आज के शाम आप सबके नाम क्या आप लोग रेडी हो? यही हुई बात। तो थोड़ा रुकिए, थोड़ा देर के बाद हम लोग शुरू करेंगे the most memorable music day celebration.
Aprang si kardom, karbing long live betung pan. Nasi lalau World Music Day ke 21 lo, Juna cek lo, nitum labang so adet si fix lo, nasi nitum dak habe, Lankung Habe long si nitum labang so World Music Day, a program kepa doji pan nitum la Artist Forum pendem si thik lo. Lapen labang so program along ke ATP kan pon ke lahan lo je Karbing long so tale all Indiang prang stamela prang asingara tum kecewai tang atum contribute pon. Suppose Karbing long stame non jaram tiso Daniel Ingti apen Francis Rongpi asal pen ana singar tum dalam pen non hejong kecewai maleniti sopi lai tum alun si nil tum non uwekimi tum masih palun jipan si cisik pon lo tame hala sot ke Karbing long Foundation Karbing long Thomas Council Foundation de ke doko kajong sinil tum mako pini Julai ceklo 12 tarik mane pini ani fansi nil tum thik pon ngrolo nasila bangso program long nil tum alu hisar po cham ke litum kaching honai Dr. Tulerong Hasar Chief Executive Member of Karbing long Thomas Council lapende MP Lok Sabha MP Omar Singh Tisosar alang lipanda chupha lapen Karbing long ang bong mane Karbi piang bong pas disi ke manceng alang le sang pinula pangchupi SS alang le pandel tum jopha lasang se all MSCs lapen organization secretary president kadop se nitum jopha pon athema itum piposil tung ke phama lapen nitum piposil bangso program bima maximum litum lunkan event along ke litum music track band si ke palun lasang si dodo staminol litum ke handspan mane mir tong prakso odd pen handsome odd pen si palun si la pente halang litum citene rang lang to prang alun sipi mall synchro pen polo jaram tiso halai litum alun non we mi tum ta pachini nang ban kado ta pachini ji phansi ni to la bangsa program deng panglo
cukup parlo puge litum ning ke citenai litum kaching honnai Karbi film actor ang bong ke most senior ke alang lilo lapen alang litum ke cepaduga ajone si alang litum Karbi Artist Forum sita me penangan kaching thori litum thek pon long lo artist tum han man pen ke chipi pen teng lok pini ke World Music Day kali sita me alang litum postponed masi pini sia ko hala soarni my council foundation de do ko masi sita me alang litum kithi tang to mandai si contribute padosi phanji masi alang litum bori pon lo masi alang li president sir pen lam thesi
la saya fangsi Karbing long live pu teron sangho la nili numpana kongbri pon suri kardom pasri lo la si enake World Music Day ke 21st June si ketalon lon work piece ta meni te mohet alang lita dengjelo katora do chata joine la si nili tum puthot pini 12 July la dak Lankung Habe along si nili tum hot pon thiglo la si non la bangso program men objective mate akemang bangala lo je ilitum long aprang legendary itum singers lahaido like Joram Tisu tang ho Mongol Synchro tang ho basondara Daniel Ingti Francis Rongpi lahaido ban penan non lom owe ki mitum ge kachini ne data hai ba manitum chini thai lasi hulai tum ban koson se litum momota itum chiki mopon bomba ending do ponjima non leilitum bollywood singers tame Kishore Kumar Lata Mangeshkar Muhammad Rafi pinianda elitum chini la son takta sinon owe ki mitum sitama bakar benglong rat tame jelitum latuma chite ni nangne athialang litum majone si penan edum Karbi lun lamte moda chaniglo la son si la so isi a platform lo la dak peniletum upcoming artist youth sitame lanso se litum la kilun ke kan music hand sitame la pen artist kitip ke theng ban dak lok la so asia platform ban nilitum la so music day bang pini dak talon ton iglo
sir nang lige bosekang thim ben pura ta penangan ajak dolo di penangan ni ton ta bihi lang to nang ligo son si cementin lo mane la son an physical help and non on the hand something la
thank you bosekang thim be 1998 nile film ke cheng la si hola soda nile ge master tangalom master degree tangalom la si son lo men bang ke kicho ke jon chere nai nile me thang ta cigarette hor beri lai ge ne choge lapen regular exercise dili lapen kichubang chupik lason kali se limited lasi hola lo pole lilitum e health amesen po lapen honai da ilitum koson si bemar hajar pen ilitum fit dulu pole de itum bemar pen da jokon po la suppose lili honai da by the grace of God lapen lili mena la so health conscious ajon even pini la son se opinion ta
answer say pumen pulo gache the bading lo nang sir. Thank you so much for talking to us sir.
A little introduction and also share with us how comes you sing such a beautiful and melodious song tonight.
Good evening everyone. I am Anubhav Saikia, a third year medical student from Lankung Medical College. So basically it's something we do in our leisure times to, it's not everything our studies. Yeah, we need to study, it's of course a vast course, but we also need some time to ourselves, and in that time we do this, so that we have a fresh mind to do these things again. So that is the main key for this.
So good evening everyone, my name is Vinma Das and I am a third year student from Lankung Medical College.
Good evening everyone, my name is Shrishti Singh and I am a third year medical student. So I think referring to the question, as expected everybody would think that we're knee deep in studies all the time and we're always in our books, but I know it highlights the point that we need to study, but I think that everybody, all the medical students will accept this, that they have an escape where they enjoy their hobbies, if not every day but once in a while. It rejuvenates us, it gives us that push to continue pursuing medicine. So, thank you.
The universal language of the soul. World Music Day 2025. On behalf of Karbi Artist Forum, I welcome you all to this vibrant celebration held here in this very beautiful ground, Lankung Habe Auditorium Hall, Matipong Difu. And now, you might be wondering, World Music Day, wasn't it supposed to be on June 21st? Yes, absolutely correct. It was supposed to be on June 21st, but unfortunately we had to postpone at the time due to some unavoidable circumstances, or maybe we can say the spirit didn't agree at the time. But we have postponed to today so that we can bring you a safer, a grander, and a vibrant music experience. Now, we are going to start our today's very special celebration. तो देवी और सज्जनों, दिल थाम के बैठे शुरू करने जा रहे हैं विश्व संगीत दिवस 2025. And one more I would like to say, music has no expiration date. No matter when it is June, July, August, September, November or December, when readings call, we answer. Lasilatum, pader de pigit luka chuphateng pen, alu hisar pol hisar pidum stamin nang leik lap lo potsi. Pader de pit pen pangcheng ponik pitlo nang World Music Day 2025.
ahai chot kali lagi music is an emotion kali makalan music lagi lidum is ya therapy ilidum make jang hek positame music aser julong pen ilidum make jang hek dasi aho pini arni ilidum labangso World Music Day ketalon pon lagi ilidum pini cetong rapen kato kawe pansitame nili sudi akadong pajer ponlo lapen pini ya program pati pini ya event lagi pangceng polonan dasi ilidum kachapapon ateng pen ilidum man pen kido hisar po hisar bialang nang legen lo lapen ilidum man pen kido CM Karbi Autonomous Council alangli a okring no det kasi ilidum birta kilo kasi alangli tumbakan ng palin edet po kasi kitcheng siya jay make non ilidum pangcheng ko ji laki melun ke kaya pati lightning of lamp kasi la solo pangcheng ko ji laki President and Secretary Karbi Artist Forum alang dito man si chuning ripon lo lightning of lamp lang idun din sarap dun jikan si manting pen chokapon lo
nang tuwa tapanan kurang tu ni tingko better kamu
Labang so lightning of lamp laki melur hini pini ke kai ponchot kali athe ma pini ilidum lada kichi mo pon se ilidum ning kichi bipon ilidum legendary Karbi artist mate singer laben Bollywood artist alang lidum khase ta ilidum ning chi bipon manang alang lidum han alang lidum kasi nili chatayang songa chok hapon ilidum ake hai GM Sansi alang li no social worker alang ni kan man ping kido Karbi ko ko panili jom karchu punji chithi ko ili jom Karbi tumke ko hello Ser la ser ako open sa lang likan no na bangke archo koniklo pini la bangso World Music Day ketalon lo no na dum chu chapon nitung agai Boliram terang ex minister upon adak chatayang so an kibang jipan se choning di pondo alang lipan si kami man peng kido Karbi ser po hupen karchu ponji kasi choling lipon lo lapen adun thu chok hapon itung chatayang songan Srimati Sabina Telonki National Awardee in Arts and Crafts adun thu chok hapon itung ake hai Peter Tiso social worker alang lipan sa kami dak chatayang songan kibang jipan si choling lipon lo Nona bangke Karbi ser po hupen ake hai P Sabina Telonki National Awardee in Arts and Crafts karchu ponji pan si choling lipon lo adun thu ake hai Peter Tiso pan sa kami man peng kido Karbi po hupen karchu ponji pan si choling lipon lo Putrot, chatayang songan chok hapon itung akhay pi Rita Karsapi, social activist alang lipan sa kami chatayang songan kibang jipan si choling lipan lo. Kapen alang lipan sa kami man peng kido Karbi ser po hupin karcho pon jipan si choling lipan lo. Adun chu do chula mili jom long nagi chetong dos ake hai sar sing han si social activist alang ni pan sa kami man peng kido Karbi po hupen karcho lipan si choling lilo. And up next, I would like to call upon Queen Hazalika to the stage. She is a renowned singer, and she is going to perform a melodious song for all the audience present over here tonight. She is here. Now we would like to felicitate her with our Karbi Pohu. And now our all chief guests are present in the dais. I would like to take this opportunity to hand over the mic to Mr. James Hanse and to begin with the inaugural of our today.
For our chief executive member, Dr. Tuliram Longhan, but he could not turn up because of his illness. So I got this privilege, and I said I am privileged and honored to be as a chief guest of this wonderful event. So, as many of you know about today, World Music Day, but I'm not aware of this very day because I'm not a lover of music. Of course, I used to listen to music, but I don't know how to sing. I don't know how to write a music. So, today, this evening, I may not be able to tell you about World Music Day. But as I have given this task to open this wonderful event, I'm really happy and I'm really grateful to the organizer for giving me this wonderful time. So, after a short while, we are going to start this.
Masih kat dia bang doma, masih kecil ni bang doma. Milimeter em, mana em doma lo mesti ni lo berhati tu. Lun punon music punoi. Ninget tu puang bang ke lah comangkan. Nama lo ke comangkan kedua lah aku kulit tumpapu longkang tu comangkan duduk. Comangkan hut ilun pen kekan cengkit tu hai bang. Lah bang dingduk bihek aku pen. Pen si bang dingduk bang ke. Dili hema ke sarapan hong dampik namna so tolak apa hong damna ko ti bule man tule long aluhi bin awi note chatai long kitan tar khak kitan ko ha siningang so silang ko ason so lun kilun itu thana chinyu de ponta melancholic type si kilun maybe he's recalling his past youthful days lah sonta hai bene lalu isi bangke aku sini gitu bangke dia tu mah dia kisah hud kaya itu orang sini orang boleh anang ni mana kita India nula kita printed pak kobak tu ibu lasto kita mana India tu kita Asamis okme apa gitu blog hai lasto kita lang kolbu ni mana tu ni tu nggak sagau sort asal sagau di soal jam bertemu terai tu bangke Kujai sini malang dah pipik, aking pendam, pokoknya cycle pendam, pulang dah pipik. Lah, soalan hebat tak? Lah, so sini makan lang tu. Tapi hasil pakai Hindia dulu bang, pakai Bollywood lah, album muka bang, lah ni di sini. Lapen, isi bang ni kita bang ke, nili ta, kapan isu ke keciperoka, kan tu duduk mati. Mana cepeklan, buhe. Botol kolos ka porhe uhut di hostel buise hostel do don ke pilo amen ho Sitarat Brahmo Chaudhary hostel non ke BTS hostel do la so towar pensi mana science students tu bangke biology mama ke and botany puno zoology punon ha panbotar pen ke pen wang ma bang silan itu hostel lang mo kita main mungkin la tu hostel lang kita lan B block ni hostel B block nilai bangke Cepet lang, dulu mati ho. Cipiroka punot. Nilai bangta. La baranda long top dun po gitar rock. Ketipilo sudah. Kala kita tu makan lang tekan pa mati ketong mati. Atau patalo la terang sawu, kuliram terang jane deh. Ana cekin no na hete. Nilai po bari betul no ngawelo. Alang tum ke gitar ke rock undo jatuh. Itu bahni no kayak masuk delo. Pending dolang ini kita boleh di suara rumah di club long itu western music lun lo program so kesok terang mungkin teron apa long kiso terang Loki so dera non loki so peni li bai ni ben group of men bimong tene dat lo nani ne pen nagar ujat si mane ke gitar nam no mane ke drum set nam no ben no ama difuklar no so dulu ala tumbang je kenangan tumbang je gitar si rod ni gitar tu ke pot lun sina pilun to pasal to lun po amat jirni baga pi bang je ni tu pan ko pine hat long ne pin naga war pang sing ka lu aho kalam lagi nong ki super jam je chini la ma hala so ni pen ke ta la mana rata thing no kilun pa dia tu man tu la ko pine group song po chorus pe ne hai wadi Robindra Mohan district lagi long bang an tu acap dulun po kilun pa cekrong hai so bang an tu hai so jangan whatever it is music kan it is a universal language ko to chini tapi pini jase bela jin potung do tum pikir ko dam do we ab ke koi queen amar बहुत पुराना बांधवी সিদিনাখন গম পালোঁ তাই থাকিব তাই এইটোৰ লগত আছে আমাৰ বহুত পুৰণা সম্পৰ্ক কুইনৰ লগত আজি দশক ধৰি মানে সিন্স দ্য 80s late 70s গতিকে ধৰক 30 প্লাছ 20 হলে প্ৰায় 50 বছৰৰ সম্পৰ্ক তেওঁ থাকিম বুলি কোৱাৰ কাৰণে মই আহিলোঁ এনিৱে দিছ হোৱাট আই নো এবাউট মিউজিক পিছত যদি থেচিছ লিখিব লাগে সেইটো বেলেগ কথা এনিৱে থেংক ইউ
English School, Difu and Nogao Mission School, culminating in her 12th standard completion in 2015 after a significant hiatus. In 1999, Mrs. Teronpi developed a deep passion for Karbi traditional weaving and handicrafts, leading to the establishment of the Batipung Wapata Samabai Samiti Limited, a handloom weaving cooperative in 2000. Under her leadership, the society has grown from humble beginning into a transformative force, empowering over 1,500 self-help groups and training countless artisans, particularly women, to achieve economic self-reliance. Her efforts have enabled women to support their families and provide education for their children, creating generational change in economic independence. Mrs. Teronpi have been a trailblazer in promoting Karbi arts and craft on regional, national and international platforms through exhibitions and trade fair, including the National Handloom Expos. Her commitment also extends to making ethnic wear accessible and affordable while preserving traditional methods. Beyond her impact in handloom and craft, she is celebrated as a filmmaker, producing the acclaimed Karbi documentary Serdigun and the award-winning short film Palm Parku, honored as Best Short Film in the 47th Karbi Youth Festival. Her cinematic works bring the narratives and aspiration of the Karbi people to global audiences, strengthening cultural pride and awareness. Mrs. Teronpi's achievements have been recognized with numerous honors, including awards from the Handloom Officers Association in 2002 and Certificate of Recognition from the DC Office in 2004, and a special honor during the 76th Republic Day celebration in 2024 for her unmatched dedication to tribal craft and artisan empowerment. Her legacy as a cultural guardian, social reformer, and community leader continue to inspire change, and preserve the invaluable heritage of Karbi Anglong, leaving an indelible mark on the lives of those she touches and the tradition she safeguards. Here we present this citation to Mrs. Sabina Teronpi. And to present this award, I may call the President and Secretary of Karbi Artist Forum. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a huge round of applause for the lady, the Iron Lady of Karbi Anglong. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us. We have a token of love with a flower bouquet and a Karbi polvo. Now I would like to request ma'am to please share some words. Alang likanon choning ring tu lamhe sabso ninje bonji khan.
Ago ben. Itu akade.
Taro. Joro ring la artist from Secretary President Pendang Lo la benda kete atau apa doat kami nilihin dan karong pajen to karong ini music day arti moben alang litera ngasangho kaneng je awan nilita nilining puri music day la so buka nili aprang la student live pun la music kacari do nasapa la so lun asapo ko medi niling ning ke matha express me to set come to see the light to me what it come to me jikane jumma jum jumma 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 jum jumma 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 jum jumma 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 jum pe 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 piano pe 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 piano pe 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 piano nining je matalo no masih ini music day masih dia sabo la so buka ini kan masih sabo bilo la si coro reun pini bangso nilipan nakar cuko ningarong lo nili alonso pan haladak Dubai along si international aputak the pride of tribe pu la so organization pen haladak nili tum hanang kon lo la ben haladak penang mene Dubai atau penang nili tum pan hadakta ninging sampik pen mane pacun lo lapen hadakit atum hantan nili tumapan mane nang arco pami lo lapen kitu kitha kicu kicun anta mesen pen nili tum mane wan pundang pun lo lapen ningarong lo lapen karbi a traditional paket anili paklang tam lo haladak lapen paklang tam lo laben lason taksi dampong panggong lason lo haladak ini ki country ini alai Delhi long militum country foket an mane hadak aprang meeting pedolo laben hadak kecetong ji bang kecetong ueda lo tema haladak abangke la chua long ke kecopong pini ni dongkok amasi aman militum tadun delo ano amat haladak laso kiche paklang abang mane komchat boy phesitan
skill to moje sound besi se koru
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us tonight in the celebration of World Music Day. I would like to call upon our MEC, sir. Pengma Regma, sir, on the stage. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us tonight. We would like to felicitate you with our Karbi Pogo.
Kita mana lagi?
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us tonight. Okay. So we are requesting you to kindly deliver a short speech on tonight's occasion of World Music Day celebration.
A very good evening to all esteemed, distinguished guests and dignitaries present here. Both me and Mr. Rengma, my fellow colleague, fellow MSc, we are here on the instructions of Honorable CM and MP, as they could not be present here due to some other engagement. But both of us, we would like to take this opportunity to thank Karbi Artist Forum for this beautiful initiative of paying tributes to all the legendary singers. We all know music is the essence of life, and without music, life is very empty, and so hence keeping in mind all those things, both of us are present here, and we wish all the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for the speech. and asking pardon from Rengma sir for his mispronunciation. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us tonight.
malongsu angso mana aku tepi adu malongsu songben bolon ke dune pena kaya lutialo papi papra songle kaya lutialo nama angso mana atu tepi malongsu
my music world, and this is the first time on this World Music Day I'm going to perform, and it's very interesting. Prosan Fangcho, and my birthday it falls on 21st of June. So the whole world celebrates that day, and we are very lucky. I do feel that way. So anyways, moi dutiman gan gaisu. Prothomote Latajir eti gitar moi sai khari gaum. Tar pisot aru moi khub moramor bhanti, and sudden demise of our total line guiding. Tar pisot moi Kishore ji git gaum. Hope you'll love to listen to the song. Thank you so much. Latajir gaisu. Malini Tisopir git gaisu mo gantu thik mukhosto nai bhul hole mo khama koribo. I think she's in the heaven. Anyways, thank you.
Really happy. हम लोग क्या गाना सुनते हैं? डीजे वाले बाबू जरा गाना चला दो, है कि नहीं? Okay, so I would like to ask, let's play simple game. थोड़ा simple game हम लोग खेलेंगे. तो क्या करेंगे इसमें कि मैं गाना गाऊंगी 1-2 line, okay? And what you have to do, you have to guess the name. Okay, this is for the medical students that is present with us today. मैं 1-2 line गाऊंगी और तुम लोगों को बताना है, ठीक है? दिल